Action time. Listen carefully to the leaders A and B and act. A आणि B हे गटनायक काय सांगतात ते ऐका आणि कृती करा. पहिला शब्द असणार आहे A मधील आणि दुसरा असणार आहे B मधील. दोन्ही जोडून आपण कृती करायची. Let's start. Sit down. Stand up. Run fast. Turn quickly. Sing loudly. Good morning, good morning. Name the object in the picture and say what all you can do with it. चित्रातल्या वस्तूचं नाव सांगा आणि ती घेऊन काय काय करता येईल तेही सांगा. What is this? A bottle. We can fill it. We can wash it. We can keep it. We can throw it. We can sell it. Now, what is this? It is a sheet of paper. We can write on it. We can color it. We can roll it. We can keep it. We can fold it. Now what is this? These are flowers. We can pick them. We can smell them. We can keep them in a flower pot. We can give it to the teacher.